See, this is why I feel so strongly about this. Because words are very powerful. It's very powerful. If you already said it, or simulat mo na, it's already out there. Even if you apologize, meron ka nang nasaktan. And you don't know kung sino ang nagbabasa ng mga yun. There are kids who goes in there and will read all these negative things. And that's not a hindi magandang i-handle para sa mga kabataan. I mean, after all the, all these things that are happening in our country, in the world, di ba mas maganda kung positive na lang tayo? Diba? So, doon ko yung kasi parang nakarelate ako na pag may nababasa akong negative, parang gusto ko na lang din magpakamatay. Parang, you have to understand that I am a human being. If I see things like this, if I see, even if, for example, they're not really true, I still get affected. And I think about it. Am I really not? No, although I don't really care if I'm not anymore. Because my thing is, di naman ako sumasali ng popularity contest, I just want to sing. Right? And this has been my life. I want to be able to entertain you guys and hopefully inspire other people also. Diba? Kaya ko lang naikwento yun kasi nga nakakatakot talaga. Internet lang, lahat yan, hanggang matanda na tayo, nandiyan pa rin yan, hindi na natin yung mabubura. Kung sino makabasa niya, ma-hurt na natin yan. It will leave a scar in your heart. So, always remember, before you write something, if you read something, or even before you say anything to anybody, think about it first. Because you don't know how that word will affect that person. Kasi words na are very powerful. It can encourage, it can hurt, it can destroy me. So that's my message to everybody. Be positive.